ये है हुज़ैफा, इनकी एज है, हाउ ओल्ड आर यू हुज़ैफा?
10.
और यकीन जानिए कि जो ये इस वक्त कर रहे हैं, अगर आपके बच्चे इस वक्त ये नहीं कर रहे हैं ना, तो आप उनका मुस्तकबिल डेवलप नहीं कर रहे हैं। ये इनसे पूछते हैं कि ये क्या कर रहे हैं। ओके, कैन यू एक्सप्लेन अस हुज़ैफा व्हाट यू डूइंग?
So I asked ChatGPT helped me refine my relationship with my clients in 3 questions along with options. Give one question at a time using simple English. After all the questions, based on my answers, give me feedback on what I can improve. It has given me 3 questions. I've done the first one. The first question is, how do you currently communicate to your clients? I wrote A, face-to-face meetings. And then second, it said, how often do you meet with your clients? And then I wrote C, monthly.
So what this will teach you? It will teach you about what?
It'll teach me about freelancing and
Freelancing.
yes.
Okay, so you're learning freelancing
Yeah.
from AI ChatGPT book.
Yes.
तो ख्वातीन हज़रात, ये करना है आपके बच्चों को अगर आप चाहते हैं कि वो फ्यूचर में कामयाब हो सके।